So this is the main bed.
This looks so nice.
Wow.
Color.
Yes. Hey guys, welcome back to another rochielin video. What's up my family? What's up? You guys gave me the name that you want to be called, and I agree that it's gonna be family. Zane, mommy Lynn is here. And you know the vibe, we do a house hunt and taking you on the journey, and of course sharing the details for those of you that are looking for a house for yourself as well. Remember to like, comment, share, subscribe, follow me on all social media pages. That includes Instagram, Twitter, Facebook. It's at rochielin. Follow me. I'd like to get to 10,000 followers on Instagram so I can have the swipe up link, please. So I'm at 6,000 something now. Bring me to 10,000 now, please. And we're on the journey to 50,000 subscribers on this channel, so bring me there as well. Tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend, and join the rochielin family. Join the family. Join the family. Hey, 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 hey. Anyways, without further ado, let's get into the video. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go.
My baby, I like you. My baby, I die for you. See you, you know, I see you. My baby, you know, I ride with you. My baby, I don't cover that, I die for you. I pray to the Lord, I rise to the Lord. Gonna greet the Lord, I pray to the Lord. Fatumata Jambele, everything being safe again, man. Everything for your Jambele, oh Jambele, oh yeah. You are not a friend of me, no. Baby, you mean more to me, more to me. You are not a friend of me, no. Baby, you mean more to me, more to me. Ooh, promise, Bobby, call you back, yeah. Oh, yeah, yeah. You looking like me, oh yeah.
So that house that we viewed just now is 1 bedroom, bathroom, living, kitchen, wash area outside for 75,000 Jamaican dollars, and it's for rent, and that includes light and water. Now it's a house, it's a side of a house, and the main area of the house is furnished, and it's locked away for the family members when they come to Jamaica, because the owners are not living in Jamaica at the moment. So that side is empty for most of the year until when they come. But the side I showed you is available, $75,000 inclusive of water and light. Your thoughts?
I think it is a little bit over the top. $75,000 for 1 bedroom.
But then again, you have to consider the area. It's Hope Pastures, which is considered one of the top areas, one of the upscale areas. It's next to Ligani, it's close to all the amenities, so they're really pricing for the neighborhood more than the place, because the place is alright, but I think that's the general pricing in that neighborhood as far as I've seen so far. So if you're interested, the details are below. Let's go, let's go, let's go! towards the back and the side. The place we just looked at just now is a 2-bedroom, 1 bathroom, living and dining and kitchen area. It's towards the back and the side of a house. It is off Charlton Avenue of Content Spring in Kingston, Jamaica. Your thoughts before I give my thoughts?
Going there for a minute and I sweat. The ceiling the right there, so right over my head. Jesus Christ.
Yeah, it by the way, it's $60,000. Is it worth it? You be the judge, but for me personally, and this is my opinion, I don't think it's worth $60,000 because the space small, the kitchen want to be renovated, the bathroom look tacky, it's not really my style. But I know you have persons who don't have a big budget who just want a place to stay. So if you're that person, then this may be the place for you. The contact details are in the description below. So we're on to the next property now. So let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. we saw just now in that complex, they're all for sale, and the prices listed are in Jamaican dollars. This is not a sponsored post, this is just me doing my thing. So if you're interested, I'll leave the contact details below and you can definitely check them out. Cool? Alright, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Alright family, so this is the end of the video. You've seen it all. I hope you see something that you like, that you're interested in, that you can benefit from this video in another way than just watching. Thank you so much for being here. Thank you for riding with me every week. Thank you for supporting. Thank you, just thank you, thank you. You know, we're trying to grow the community, try to build the community, try to build the family, and we're at 26,000 followers now, and we're looking to get to 50,000 by the end of October. I think we can do it. I know we can do it, and I know when we met me do it, right? You guys brought me to 20 before my birthday like I asked for, so let's get to 50, right? So let's do it. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you for being here on the journey with me, and I appreciate all of uno, every single one of uno family, all of uno. Remember to like, comment, share, subscribe, follow me on Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, and I'll see you in the other video that may be tomorrow or the day after tomorrow. You know what I mean? You know, videos. Yeah. Bye guys, see you later.